Hello beautiful people, how are you today? I'm good, I'm excellent. Welcome again in my food channel, Food Coma by MissBlackRose. Assalamualaikum. Today I'm gonna show you how to make pasta with roasted red pepper or capsicum or whatever you call it, and roasted cashew. Oops, full of now. Only one. And all those ingredients here I'm gonna write down on the description later, so do not fuss about it. If you like the video, please kindly share, comment, and subscribe right now. So let's learn together. Hello Jojon, wake up please. We're going to shoot the video anytime soon and you are a star. Hello Jojo, now you wake up. Let's start now because I did the intro already, which is many times that I fail. Now let's start because it's, we don't have a day. Who's that noise? Not your friend. Right, beautiful people, we're gonna start now. I'm gonna blend in here in the food processor. This is the roast capsicum. Chili. You can use jalapeno. The tomato paste. Just one, so everyone, so this is the result. Now I'm gonna do this is zucchini. I'm gonna saute it with garlic and olive oil, and then I'm gonna saute this cherry tomato too. Okay. I'm gonna cook the pasta too, right? All right then. So let's see. Jojon, what you doing? That Jojon. Wow. Enough, not too long. Then you put oil again, olive oil, not too much. This. Right, Jojo, let's start. We're gonna put the pasta here. Right, and then put the sauce. Right, and then the zucchini. If you don't want to saute, it's no problem as well. You know. And then you just wash things. Here. You can just do together like this. What I eat. So basically for three people, you know. Right, okay. I'm gonna put this tomato. I'll tell you what, I like a little bit, you know, like chili, you know. Last but not least, you can put this Sundries tomato here. So sort of tomato in here, you know, from tomato paste, this tomato cherry, and this Sundries tomato. Alright, so where's the tissue? Okay. You can just do it here. I made it more mess than better. Voila. So it's done.